Hello and what's up again, madlang people? Welcome back to VRB Tube, and we're doing a Contagion series of bands from the 90s, and the band that I choose at the moment is Oasis, and the song is Champagne Supernova. There are 3 patches that I used for this episode. One is the built-in acoustic patch, but I copied it and transferred it to Bank 5. Then next to it is the one that I built. I built the patch from scratch. It's an overdrive patch. I renamed it as Oasis OD. And then I also made another patch. It's a bass simulation patch. I'll do a separate video for the bass sim, and probably I'll do another video for the looping on how to use this as a looper. So let's crack on. Here's the patch for Oasis. So the patch, guys, is Lush Acoustic, but I saved it here on Bank 5. It's this one. I saved it on 54, but originally it's on Bank 3 or 33. Right, I didn't change anything. Oops, sorry. Didn't change anything on that Lush Acoustic, so I retained the name. And then this is the one, the Oasis OD. This is from scratch. I looked online to see what sort of amp does Noel Gallagher is using. So I used the Fender Twin Reverb on the Fender 2x12 cabinet. I put spring reverb here, separate effects. I put a tube screamer or the TS drive, and I put the ZNR. Okay, let's crack on. So ZNR, detect, guitar in, depth 100, threshold 30, decay 0. Next to it, TS drive, gain 70, boost off, tone 57, volume 70. Then the Fender Twin R, bass 48, mid 50, treble 45, bright off, gain 40, volume 60, depth 10, speed 50. Mic off for the cabinet, D57, D421, 50, high 50, low 50. And then the last bit, spring reverb, pred 2, decay 10, mix 50, tail off. That's it, guys. And next to it, the bass sim, we'll do a separate video for that one, so please follow me in this channel. Okay, let's jam. I hope that it helps you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and for those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you again soon. Stay safe and God bless. Bye.